sound of them.
Oh.
And maybe the picture.
Oh, what are you using?
Your cat.
Oh.
We'll be on here long, but I just thought it'd be fun to hear them. See them, guys? And there's another one. And there's more of them. And there's the turkey. No, aimed it at you.
Stop button. Flag, show off button. Comment button. 0 people, little dot 0 here now.
That's alright. We're just outside having had our breakfast, which was really good, and we're waiting for our limo.
And I'm a stuffed turkey.
1 people, little dot 1 here now.
You just missed David saying he's a stuffed turkey. See the birds over there? At least you can hear them.
Sound like they're behind us. Or to the left of us. It's hard for me to know. Here's Johnny, I think.
Yeah. Yep.
Hey, man.
Hey guys! Hey,
you
bear
doing?
with me.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Dan. Get up. There we go. How was your Thanksgiving?
Oh, real good this year.
See, where are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Forward. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Right,
Might
sir.
be easier.
Yeah. Got the top here. There we go. Down in. See.
Snow on the ground, frost again.
Not yet. Oh, I thought you said there's some. It's supposed to be.
Said there should be.
I'm gonna give it another month.
I don't know, I can remember some snowy Halloweens actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. It's,
Yeah, it's usually when it gets cold, it stays cold. I remember right.
Yeah, this
I
year
mean, pretty cold, yeah.
this year got cold, warmed up, got cold, warmed up.
What liquor store are we thinking about going to? Buy
Um,
your house? Or?
yeah, I think. Well, because like, see, the main impetus for this is that my corkscrew broke yesterday, and I called the one here, and they said they had them. So we figured we'd get one or two other things there too.
Have you ever seen a corkscrew break, Johnny?
No.
Yeah, I was using it right, and I heard this snap, and one of the flanges just fell right off.
Damn.
It broke like a piece of glass. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah, I mean, I've had that thing like since the 80s. So I guess it might have been about time, but I mean, I wouldn't have expected that.
So they got them up there by your house?
Yeah, they said they cost $6.99. And I asked, is it the one with wings? And they said, yeah.
Well, they might have more than one. We'll see what they got.
Yeah.
You can pick what you want if there's a way to do it. But she has one that's pretty good, but it's plastic. And, it's good as a standby, but I don't know if I'd want to rely on it as the only corkscrew in the house in case it breaks. was really weird because, you know, I didn't put any extra pressure on it or anything. I just set it up in there and was turning it, and all of a sudden, snap. Very weird.
So, did you go to your sister's or what?
Me and my younger sister, she lives on. We left early and went to. Darlene had to work yesterday. We went to Virginia. It's about 74 miles
Oh, wow.
from here. She had dinner at noon, and we stayed there, and then came back, and her daughter invited us over about 6:30. So we went over there. I was twice yesterday. And then Wednesday, Darlene's daughter in Arbutus, she had dinner. Let's see, Wednesday, because all her daughters and stuff had something to do or working, so she had it on Wednesday. So we went over there Wednesday evening about 6 and got home by 10. So yeah.
Yeah, you
I
made
worked a couple hours